The Yamuna River is 1,376 kilometers long. It is the longest tributary of the Ganga. The Yamuna originates from the Yamunotri Glacier. It flows through several states in northern India. Major cities along the Yamuna include Delhi and Agra. The river joins the Ganga at the Triveni Sangam. This confluence is in Prayagraj, also known as Allahabad. The Yamuna has significant cultural and religious importance. It supports the livelihoods of millions living along its banks. Pollution and over-extraction threaten the Yamuna's ecosystem. Efforts are ongoing to clean and restore the river. Infrastructure projects aim to improve water quality and flow. Community participation is essential for the Yamuna's revival. The river is also home to diverse flora and fauna. Protecting the Yamuna ensures sustainable development for future generations.